Karbi Anglong Thomas Council Deputy Chairman will seek inquiry CRNI session ke pha. Meghalaya pen puthor mukoiram PMGSY atau worka selam atau maphan kapasik sakthu. Karbi Pimarang bong kebasad lang along ang tona subject letter kelong asami Melim Singh Narpia phan BJP Yuva Morcha pen karchu. Kardom ada birda long pen nili birda thanbang sami Monica Milikpi no birda ton pen arjuitha. Karbi Anglong Thomas Council a Deputy Chairman Rites Inghi pen will seek inquiry CRNI session doji pusi legislative sai kampen pachini. Karbi Anglong along kaching thura moke claim ke dama putha kaching YG aphan will seek a chiklo inquiry CRNI Karbi Anglong Thomas Council session hall along Pharohini ra thomkebra pliang deng session doji. Session ke doji alam Deputy Chairman Rites Inghi pensi pacheta. Alang li council kachari arona tang ateng pensi session ke phalang pachini. Hamren pen kilometer thongkebra nerkep an kahelo Meghalaya hoy kedai mukoiram along non malong Karbi Anglong pen PMGSY atau worka selam bom adi malong Meghalaya chomang atum pen arlong phurlong lepura kapasik sak dunalam keramtang aruni phai troxier nita dolo bonta West Karbi Anglong Hamren pen administrative lapen law and order atum damsi chingki chethan pen kayateng paklem thulo Bonsitame aruni phaikre trogar nile thota puthor Meghalaya anat pen administrative lapen law and order atum jok jakwangsi Karbi Anglong pen claim bomasai harlong phurlong lepura napang ton thukok nilo ladake Karbi Anglong kali bonta Meghalaya pusi anin ki thipen ninje tekang pusi JCB kewega tumpen than Pinpur में non Karbi Anglong pen PMGSY atau work ke claim aphan harlong ki pura din ke Meghalaya hoy pen kilometer cap dolang athe even mukoiram adak along si bangso harlong kwali kedo lasi kilometer cap an Karbi Anglong arlo nang dut si Karbi Anglong pen ke claim asai claim long le puro Meghalaya pen nang kateng kai dut ke eprang aphan khereme an pinlo lasi Meghalaya pen Karbi Anglong ahoy alam prabjin pen nat ang bong chingwai we lepude ahoy ke do arat ke do ke thaka kele kamatha sunang popusi ahoy arat tumpen pachini kat news apheran ke hundo kro hamren pen nang kelo birta Arukre por ni seba pen kapaklang kepa satlang along kadogawe subject letter marks kachapalong pen distinction kidun sami Melim Singh Narpia pan arukre trokarni BJP Yuva Morcha atu mir apeng pen archodamsi chingki chethanda Karbi Pimarang bong pining kepa satlang along kadogawe subject along letter marks pan ner kep kebra sir kep lapen distinction kelong asami Melim Singh Narpia pan BJP Yuva Morcha East Karbi Anglong District Committee atu mahemdamsi mir apeng pen archodam Yuva Morcha East Karbi Anglong District Committee mai phur Rustom Teron Kongchun Bang Roton Terang lapenari sangho tumsi aning kere asami aphan archodam lapen aprang akayan so se sadlang ki meji aphan hirjume pitekang non molom so por phan birtamo inton ponexna
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. San Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkelan, near Don Bosco School, Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88 008 or 0789 61 69021.
outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesire alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihena Mobi putot birtalo mangthuiglo. Difu Hunters FC atumpen aru ni bhaikre trokarni difu manja ka chelenga towarpi kewaka di malongan ka selam pon birta pherang kepen katnyu salong birang pale. Difu manja ka chelenga towar simplex company atumpen ka selam lapuan ki me parpe lapen towar piara re along lang kapali adong mate train ka selam le deda jok henolaplo. Hunter FC atum amethanga tangka pen JCB lapen dampara truck pen long le ponsi kewaka dim alongan selam ponlo. Nong England pen birda nangapali ke laso towar kahino parpi theglong sinon barla porhut kedam kewang ke joy kejia phansi kaselam dam lopusi birta pachini la penalang litumalong kachera pachito dunjia phanta kachuning li pado botor bokan ke mewe da jok alang litum ke klem kedam asap katora dolo sitame alang litum la so towar ke wagalong anta pacheklam edji puta pachini ponthu. National Highway 36 lapen National Highway 39 mati Asian Highway 1 kachelenga tower pi along non malom kachingkoi lapen truck bus kaching thang lapen kachingkoi kachimid me pinason thak taxi simplex company pen tower kasila masai kyo ya jok malom so wet pen tower heno etlo Jongdam me Karbi Anglong ke Hatpur National Highway 36 lapen National Highway 39 mati Asian Highway 1 kachelenga tower pin non head non ben kanilo tower kahino sitame central government lapen state government atumpen masapta lahai tower kaselam awe kirui thujia phan saikering awe mate asapta RDP pe on parkal Karbi Anglong Thermas Council atumpen sitame kachelenga tower pi kahino putang asapta birta mate report hai hui kapale ledet ke Karbi Anglong Thermas Council atumta aja kong che pherang hai he potlo pusi cherok tok ala tumpen chethan rinti Ada berita bangke lapon sing ton poniklo dome thak me kurang tu.